Hey, we all have our own reason for doing YouTube. Mine is to pass on what I've learned. I've been in the computers since, since they were invented, I think. Back with the old TRS 80s back in 84, 85. I come from a background of computer automation, and when I retired in the Philippines, computers turned into my primary entertainment. I have websites up. I have a lot of videos up, and I've got one website. This website isn't my primary. Actually, this is my primary here. I've got a site about living in the Philippines, but I actually got tired of running out and doing videos up and down the street all the time. I enjoyed it, but I really enjoyed programming, and that's why now I've picked up on my website of MyLinuxToyBox. I like Linux. I love Linux, and I want to show off what can be done with it. All my videos, all my editing, everything I do is done with Linux. I've got one very nice advantage with my website is anything I talk about, I can just up and put it on the website. It exists on my computer, and all I do is have to do is do a sync, and it's up on my VPS. For example, if I do a movie on FFmpeg and say, how do you add sound to a picture, I can just guide somebody right here and say, hey, this is how you convert images to video. This is how you create subtitles. And here's how you create subtitles here. Custom subtitles if you want outlines and things on them. Here to add sound, fade sound in and fade it out to a video. And right underneath is the FFmpeg command to make it happen. I also am very active in Python, so I can do post Python scripts, Python scripting. Any questions or anybody wonders about that? I love these Jupyter notebooks. Oh my God, what a fantastic thing Jupyter Notebook is! And I actually have hundreds of Jupyter notebooks, doing everything from image processing to actually building websites and uploading by way of FTP. I want to pass this stuff on before I shoot craps, you know. That's the nitty gritty of it. And the best way I can see is on YouTube, pass out on YouTube. Everything I do is, what they call it, the Creative Commons. I don't care if anybody copies my stuff and redoes it or reposts it. I could care less. Some things I'm even doing, I'm putting up on archives.org. I just put it up there so that anybody can get it that wants it. I've been doing this stuff a long time. A long time. I don't know if I said my background is computer automation. And since I've retired, I've learned, oh my God, I'll tell you what, Linux is the best thing in the world for anybody. And I'll say it over again, over and over again. Best in the world. You'll start learning how to use command line. The next thing you know, you'll know about computers. After I got into Linux, I started working more and more with the actual computing systems to where I have a VPS up out. I can go on my VPS and put Docker containers up there. I work off, I build my own containers. What they call them, the Flask. I use Flask. It just opens up the whole world when you start using command line and you start working with servers. Hey, anyway, I'm going to make this quick because this isn't supposed to be a giant long video. This is my introduction. Hey, subscribe to me, you guys, because you will have something to learn. I don't care if you've been doing computers for a month or for 10 years. I have things that I've learned since 1980 something, so I'm sure you can find this entertaining. Hey, have a good day, everybody. Hasta la vista. And thank you for watching this video.